guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of sunscreen and I'm going to show you the right way to apply sunscreen under and over your makeup. Now I know I've done a few videos on this topic in the past, but it's just a gentle reminder for you since it's the beginning of summers, so that you remember to apply sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. So firstly, before you begin with applying sunscreen, you want to ensure that you clean your face thoroughly using a face wash or some micellar water. And the second step is to moisturize your skin. Now my skin is completely clean right now, so I'm going to move ahead with moisturization, and for moisturizer I'm going to be using a WOW Aloe Vera Gel. This is one of my favorite aloe vera gels. So I only need that much of quantity. Next, you want to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the moisturizer to seep into your skin, and then you can move ahead with your sunscreen application. So for sunscreen, I'm going to be using WOW AM2PM Sunscreen. This is one of my favorite sunscreens, and as you can see, I have finished a little bit of it ever since the summers began. So this contains SPF 50, which is a really good amount of sun protection, and especially if you live in India, in a city like Mumbai or Delhi, it's really hot here. And a sunscreen which contains anywhere between SPF 30 to SPF 50 is a great amount of SPF. So why I love using WOW products is because they are all free from parabens and mineral oil. This product too is free from both of them, and this is water resistant, so even if you sweat in the sun, it's still gonna stay on your skin and protect your skin from the sun. And it's a broad spectrum lotion which gives you both UVA and UVB protection. So UVA protection basically means that the aging damage which is caused on your skin because of the sun will be delayed and it will be minimized to a great extent. So your skin will be protected against getting fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots and any of the aging problems which happen because of the sun. And UVB protection is basically protecting your skin from getting burned in the sun. Now I have extremely sensitive skin. I have rosacea prone skin, so every time that I walk out in the sun without wearing a sunscreen, my skin becomes red and I get these red dots all over my face and my skin just burns so badly, and it takes like a few weeks to recover then. So a sunscreen for me and for everybody who walks out in the sun is extremely important. Now with all that being said, let me show you the right way to apply sunscreen under your makeup. So you're supposed to apply sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes prior to stepping out of the house in the sun. So all you need to do is take a pea-sized amount of the sunscreen, just that much, and then dot it all over your face. And now blend it into your skin until it disappears. Make sure you do not massage it really heavily because it's not a moisturizer that is supposed to seep inside your skin. It's a sunscreen that's supposed to sit on top of your skin and protect your skin from the sun. So once you're done with applying the sunscreen, you can wait for about 5 minutes for the sunscreen to kind of settle onto your skin, and then you can begin with your makeup application. I'm kind of gonna do a full face of makeup today because I'll be filming another video, so I'll be back after that. So I'm back with the full face of makeup. Now I'm gonna show you how you can apply the sunscreen on top of your makeup. So for this you need a makeup fixing spray. A matte one would be a better option because it's the summer season. And then you need your favorite sunscreen. I'm using the WOW AM2PM Sunscreen here. Open the makeup fixing spray bottle and then just add a few pumps of your sunscreen. Make sure that you add at least 8 to 10 pumps depending upon the size of the bottle. And then shake it really well. And then you can spray it all over your face. This is going to make your makeup last longer. It's going to fix your makeup in place and it's going to provide a good layer of sun protection on top of your makeup. After spraying it on your face, do not go in with a beauty blender or a brush. Just let it dry naturally. That way it's going to form a layer of sun protection on top of your skin. But in case if you go in with a beauty blender, then that's just going to remove the sunscreen, and the entire purpose of applying that sunscreen will be nullified. So dermats recommend that you should apply a sunscreen every 2 hours, but it's not really possible if you're wearing a full face of makeup, because nobody's got the time to remove all of that makeup, apply the sunscreen and then do your makeup again, right? So that is when a hack like this really comes handy, because it's not only gonna fix your makeup and make your makeup look all good, but it's also gonna provide you sun protection. It's also gonna protect your skin and act as a really nice skincare product. So yes, that was my hack on how you can apply sunscreen on top of your makeup, and always make sure that you apply sunscreen even below your makeup. And using a sunscreen like this, which is water resistant, will really ensure that even if you sweat, because it's really hot outside and you are gonna sweat, so even if you sweat, it's still gonna last on your skin because it is water resistant. So pick up a sunscreen that is water resistant, that gives you both UVA and UVB protection, and something that contains SPF between 30 to 50. That's the right amount. So yes, that was my video on how you can apply sunscreen under and over your makeup. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it wasn't, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you want to see any other summer special videos, and I would love to make them for you all, just let me know your video requests in the comment section below, and I'll definitely film a video for you all. So yes, that is my video for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.